Hey everyone, welcome back to the Inehub YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest updates and opportunities in the world of crypto. Today, we've got some exciting news from Binance that you won't want to miss. If you're a fan of earning rewards while holding your crypto, this one's for you. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. Binance has just launched an incredible campaign where you can subscribe to BNB Locked Products and stand a chance to share in a massive reward pool of up to $212,400 in PEPE token rewards. Yes, you heard that right. PEPE tokens are up for grabs. Here's how it works. Subscribe to BNB Locked Products on Binance during the campaign period. The more BNB you lock up, the higher your share of the rewards. Rewards are distributed based on your subscription amount, and the total prize pool is a whopping $212,400 in PEPE tokens. Make sure you act fast, because this campaign is only available for a limited time. Why participate? Well, not only do you get to earn rewards in PEPE tokens, but you also get to enjoy the benefits of holding BNB, including staking rewards and more. It's a win-win. Ready to get started? Head over to Binance now and subscribe to BNB Locked Products to claim your share of the rewards. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for all the details and terms of the campaign. That's it for today's update, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Inehub channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest crypto opportunities. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.